Hey guys, it's Jenny with the Wolek Group, Keller Realty in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Hey, how are you tracking your numbers and your accountability? A lot of times in our business, our company, we talk about this tool called the 411. I don't know if you're like me, I am always challenged to figure out what should be on my 411. I know with my team members, it's always confusing and we need clarity around it. Well, as a team, we just met and we really backed it all up. So we know that the 411 is important in your weekly and daily accountability. Well, how do you even build a 411? Well, this is a great reminder and tool to help you do that. There's this book, it's called The One Thing by Keller and Papasan, an amazing book for helping you get super clear on your goals. And there's a page in there and it's called the 7 circles. You can see mine here, I printed it out for our team. And the 7 circles are for your spiritual life, physical health, personal life, key relationships, job, business, and finance. And there's a way to what is called goal setting to the now. So that's taking our future, huge, big dreams and desires and putting it what's way out there, and then somehow chunking it down to our 5-year goals, then our 1-year goals. And then with our 1-year goals, that is how we build our 411 for a year. That chunks down into a month, that then breaks down into 4 weeks inside of a month. So they're all related and they're all connected. So many times we get really confused on how to even start building our 411. Well, I challenge you to do this exercise. Pull out your One Thing book and find the 7 circles, and then get 7 pieces of paper. And at the top of each page, write the category: spiritual life, physical health, personal life. I like the hint that Jeff Woods gave in the webinar on this topic, and he said, for personal life, these things should be things that you do for fun or hobbies. For your key relationships, so that would be, your spouse or your kids, your family members. For your job, that's your role inside of your business. For your business, that's the big old business that you're running. And then for your finances, and I think there's a segment, you've got your personal finances and your business finances. And on each of those pages, write down in your wildest dreams in 20 years from now, 30 years from now, what it would look like in each of those categories if you were to have your perfect life. So here are some phrases I like. So what matters to me in each of these categories? And what do I want my life to look like in each of those categories? And now you have dreamt so big, and now take those and really, highlight or mark 1 or 2 from each category, and then do the same exercise and now think about what would that have to look like in 5 years from now to get me to moving on the path of my someday goal. And then take those and really chunk it down even more to what would next year need to look like. And that is going to be how you build your 411. So inside of your 411, you're going to have your job categories and your personal categories. And then these 7 circles, almost every single one of them can fit into your 411, into things that you can set measurable activities around, so that you make sure and live your big, awesome, super duper life that you deserve. I trust this is helpful, and if you have some other fun tips that are related to goal setting to the now, your GPS, or your 411, please share. Talk to you soon, 918-706-9845. Bye.